Hi there. My name is Rob Hammett, and today we are going to check out Justuno's Commerce AI functionality. Now, the Commerce AI right now, the application of our AI engine is product recommendations. So, what we'll do first is we can go to our Commerce AI console essentially and see how many of each type of algorithm rule we have set up. So, I have a previously viewed algorithm, I have a genes algorithm, an upsell and a cross sell. And all of these can be used and applied to our product recommendations layer within the design canvas. So if I wanted to set up a new one, I could create a rule here. And we'll call this another cross sell, call it 2. And we will identify this as the cross-sell algorithm. These are the 5 algorithms that you have a choice of using, and these dictate what products will be shown. Now, I could leave this as is and just say cross-sell based on whatever's added to the cart or whatever's being viewed based on what people commonly purchase with that. Or if maybe you have quite a few variants in your store, like a makeup company or something like that, maybe you decide you want to filter based on any of these here. So filter based on date added. If you're a retail outlet, maybe by brands and products, you can force include best sellers, maybe at the top of the recommendation carousel. You can force include discounted products or based on price. So that might look like things that have a minimum or a maximum price. So if you're cross-selling at a discount, for instance, most commonly we'll see people use tags and categories. So this pulls in your Shopify tags, and you can say, I only want to include these tags in this cross-sell promotion. Now, you could also do categories. That's another very popular choice there. And then out of stock items too. If you have some bestsellers that you know are commonly purchased with the item being viewed or added to the cart, then you can show out of stock items. And that's just a simple toggle on. So I'll go ahead and create this rule. Now I have 2 different cross-sell rules in our Commerce AI console. I'll then go over to our design canvas, and the most common manifestation of product recommendations currently would be a inline. So like inline in a product page, or inline on a cart drawer, slide out cart, or on a cart page or checkout page, you name it. Now with Justuno, what I have currently is set up to do that. But I could also have a pop-up that just shows in the corner and flies out when an item is added to the cart. And so you could do this with any of Justuno's, with our banners or our flyouts or center screen promotions or inline. And the unique thing about these design options is that they allow you to place product recommendations above the fold. So typically with an inline product recommendation on a product page, you will see it well below the fold, somewhere below maybe the reviews. So you have the option now with Justuno is we've decided, okay, we're going to utilize our cross-sell 2 rule. So that's going to be the algorithm that populates the products here. Then we have all of our design options down here. And then I can go to my rules and I can determine which product added to the cart or which action is going to actually trigger this. So you can see from the rules that I have set up, this is set to show in page or show in line. But I could change this to a pop-up if I want to. And I could say maybe this variant needs to be in the cart in order for this pop-up to show. Or I could say, let's show it when a certain element's been clicked. So maybe our add to cart button. So we would do maybe, add to cart. So something like that might be an action that once it's hovered over or clicked, then that would become our rule, and that's what would trigger the pop-up to show. There's a lot of different ways to utilize the product recommendations at this point, and so let us know if you have any further questions.